Hakani Shillong lawan bani Shimenta da Boro New Tiliki district jongki Bangladesh kibaya khabat ke Jala Meghalaya Kabalaya lam do Ahmed Kabir Deputy Commissioner jongki Jalpur district. Habakran hakani ke Shillong shua bakan sedang ya ke jingiamil jimut hapdeng kini ki artli kiri u Kabir uloong bakari Bangladesh kan rat dyngkhong ya ki kam lehnoh napo kari ki jongki bat menta kelajan la ban pendu ya ki kam lehnoh hapo kari.
Means to resolve the issues of the two countries in their respective bordering areas. Issues like infiltration along the international border, smuggling, repair of border pillars, and facilitating export-import will come up for discussion. And I'm hopeful that the officials concerned will discuss the issues with a positive manner. It may be mentioned here that Bangladesh has made significant progress in recent years in the socio-economic arena. Bangladesh has also manifested its strong position against all kinds of extremism and terrorism. And Bangladesh has successfully almost rooted out terrorists from its soil. Bangladesh will continue its cooperation with India in this regard. Here I would like to remember the historic role of India in favor of our liberation war in 1971. I hope that the friendly relations between the two countries will further strengthen in coming years.
Nakaliang kakong RV Sujang Additional Chief Secretary jongki Jala Meghalaya kabadi pej ya katnat kampoyeng kalau ong ba kani ke jingiakynduh hapdeng ke Bangladesh bat ke Meghalaya kalong kabadon kam banyak penbej banyak keren markmat ladon kinu ki jing hakaput hapdeng kini ki artli kiri naka jingkran kalapan pausai ba on sapli no Shen ya ki bodahat kum harengku balagonj bat gumaghat iaka huroi kendang ya penbej hakujuk opor lapen sngo ba on snano ya ke integrated checkpoint hasela bat bersora.
From the minutes of the previous meetings, I've also noticed that there were some very excellent suggestions, some very excellent and outstanding decisions. Many of these decisions have borne fruit. There were positive developments in many of the decisions. Of course, there are also decisions where there has been status quo, very much expected because long-standing issues cannot be resolved overnight. And what we need to do collectively is to push, to nudge our various agencies to move forward our decisions and our suggestions taken in the meetings. There has been some progress from the last meeting which was held in Sing, I think in 2015. Issues like the border huts. You would know, of course, two are already operational, one in Kalachar and Ailad. Two more will be functional by September. This will be Bholaganj and Ringu. And another one will be, that's in southwest Khasi Hills, Nalikada. That will be operational, I think, in December. Decisions also been taken to set up, border huts at Huroi. I saw that Huroi was also a suggestion made in the meeting in 2015. So, another one is coming up in Huroi, in Dalu. There will be ICP which we set up in Shillong and also in Bosra. These are very strategic places which we need to have an ICP. I also saw a decision taken in the last meeting where it was stated that we should come up with a mechanism to expedite repatriation of our persons who have been jailed and who served jail terms back to the respective countries. I'm not sure if that's been done, but I think there should be a mechanism. We have the BSF here, I think, with us, and also from your side, I think the border guard, Bangladesh. They should come up with a standard operating procedure to expedite such cases, so that there will not be any delay. So I don't know, maybe in the meeting, in the interactive sessions, we can discuss this and come up with something solid and let it be approved, by both countries, and at least alleviate the problems of the common man who served his jail time in both countries. There are many other issues which can be resolved here. All it needs is a bit of commitment from both sides.